Question 7. The number of rooftops with solar panel installations in 5 cities is shown in the graph above. If the total number of installations is 27,500, what is an appropriate label for the vertical axis of the graph? So this is a statistics question that tests your knowledge or ability to read a graph. And let's go to just introducing a bar graph, which this is, and see that we have two axes, the X and the Y. One is labeled city, so we see that the prompt says these are solar panel installations for 5 cities. So A through E, they're your 5 cities, which means that the y-axis here represents the number of installations. So if we take this graph literally, meaning the numbers that are shown on the y-axis, we'll find that the total number of installations is 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3.5, and that equals 27.5. And in the second part, we know that the total of number of installations is 27,500. So if we look at the available answers, the question is now, do we multiply the x-axis by 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000? So if we multiply 27 and a half by each of these, we'll see that multiplying by 10 only gets you 275. Multiplying by 100 gives you 2,750. And here, multiplying by 1,000 gives us 27,500. And just to finish this off, this one is 275,000. Now, obviously on the SATs, you don't have time to do all of this math. When you read this question, or when you read any question really, just go ahead and look at the available answers, because that'll give you a hint in terms of what they're asking for. And all they're really asking for is for you to recognize that 27,500, to even get to a sum close to that based on the numbers labeled here, have to be multiplied by 1,000. So the answer for this one is C.